The medical device industry is constantly evolving. New technologies emerge and the demand for innovative solutions grows. In this competitive landscape, mastering effective sales techniques is paramount to success. As sales professionals operating in the medical device sector, you play a crucial role in connecting healthcare providers with cutting-edge solutions. Your ability to effectively communicate the value of your products can directly impact patient outcomes and advance the standard of care. However, traditional sales approaches often fall short. Today's healthcare professionals are busier than ever and demand tailored solutions that address their unique challenges. This is where spin selling emerges as a game changer. By understanding and implementing the principles of spin selling, you can elevate your sales game, build stronger customer relationships, and drive meaningful results in the medical device industry. Developed by Neil Rackham, spin selling is a powerful sales methodology that focuses on asking the right questions to uncover customer needs and guide them towards a solution. It shifts the emphasis from product-centric selling to a customer-centric approach, fostering trust and building long-term relationships. SPIN is an acronym that stands for Situation Questions that help you understand the customer's current situation, Problem Questions that delve into the customer's challenges and pain points, Implication, Questions that highlight the consequences of not addressing the problem, Need-Payoff, Questions that showcase the value and benefits of your solution. By mastering the art of asking spin questions, you can guide your customers through a journey of discovery, leading them to recognize their needs and embrace your product as the ideal solution. Situation questions are the foundation of the spin selling method. They help you gather essential information about the customer's current situation, processes, and challenges. The key here is to be strategic and avoid asking too many basic questions that can be easily found online. Instead, focus on questions that encourage the customer to share valuable insights and open up about their specific needs. For example, can you walk me through your current process for medical procedure treatment? What technologies are you currently using in your department area? How do you handle specific challenge related to your product? By actively listening to the customer's responses, you can tailor your subsequent questions to delve deeper into their pain points and demonstrate a genuine understanding of their needs. Problem questions are designed to uncover the customer's pain points, frustrations, and unmet needs. This is where you start to connect the dots between your product and the customer's challenges. The goal is to transition the conversation from a general understanding of their situation to a specific discussion about their problems and the impact those problems have on their workflow, efficiency, or patient outcomes. For example, are you experiencing any challenges with current process/technology? How satisfied are you with the speed, accuracy, efficiency of your current process equipment? What impact does a specific problem have on your department patients' outcomes? By asking well-crafted problem questions, you encourage the customer to articulate their pain points, creating an opportunity for you to position your product as the solution they've been seeking. Highlighting the urgency implication questions in action. Implication questions take the conversation a step further by exploring the potential consequences of not addressing the identified problems. This helps the customer understand the urgency of finding a solution and the potential risks of inaction. By highlighting the negative implications of the status quo, you create a sense of urgency and emphasize the value of your product in mitigating those risks. What impact does identified problem have on your staffing, budget, and patient satisfaction? If you don't address specific problem, what are the potential long-term consequences? How could identified problem affect your ability to achieve specific goal? By painting a clear picture of the potential consequences, You motivate the customer to explore solutions and see the value in making a change. Showcasing the solution need-payoff questions. Need-payoff questions shift the focus from problems to solutions. These questions help the customer envision the benefits of implementing your product and how it can address their specific pain point. The goal is to guide the customer towards recognizing the value of your product and how it can positively impact their work, improve outcomes, and achieve their goals. If you could solve identified problem, how would that impact your efficiency/patient care bottom line? Would it be beneficial if your team could benefit of your product? How would feature of your product help you overcome specific challenge? By framing your questions in a way that highlights the positive outcomes and value proposition of your product, you guide the customer towards a purchasing decision. Spin. Selling in action, a real-world example. Let's imagine you're a medical device sales representative selling a new surgical robotics system. Here's how you can apply spin selling. Dr. Smith, can you walk me through your current process for minimally invasive surgeries? What are some of the challenges you face with your current laparoscopic equipment? How do those limitations impact your surgical outcomes and patient recovery times? If you had access to a robotic system that enhanced precision and control, how would that benefit your patients and your surgical team? By guiding Dr. Smith through this line of questioning, you've helped him recognize the limitations of his current system, the potential consequences of those limitations, and the value your robotic system brings to the table. We're overcoming objections with spin. Objections are a natural part of the sales process. However, spin selling equips you with the tools to address them effectively. By understanding the root cause of an objection, you can respond with empathy and provide tailored solutions. For example, your system seems expensive. I understand your concern about the investment. However, have you considered the potential cost savings associated with reduced operating times, faster patient recovery, and fewer complications? By reframing the objection and highlighting the long-term value and return on investment, you can overcome resistance and move the conversation forward. Building relationships through spin. Spin selling is more than just closing deals. It's about building lasting relationships with your customers. By actively listening, asking insightful questions, and providing tailored solutions, you position yourself as a trusted advisor rather than a salesperson. When you genuinely care about your customers' needs and challenges, you build trust and foster long-term partnerships. Remember, people buy from people they trust. Spin, selling your key to success in medical device sales. In the competitive world of medical device sales, mastering spin selling can be your secret weapon. By embracing a customer-centric approach, asking the right questions, and highlighting the value you bring, you can achieve greater success and make a real difference in the healthcare industry. Remember these key takeaways. Make it all about their needs and challenges. Guide the conversation with spin questions. Pay close attention to their responses and tailor your approach accordingly. Clearly demonstrate how your product solves their problems and improves their lives. Cultivate trust and become a trusted advisor. Embrace spin and transform your sales. Spin selling is not just a sales technique, it's a philosophy that empowers you to connect with customers on a deeper level, understand their needs, and provide solutions that make a real difference. By embracing the principles of spin selling, you can transform your sales approach, achieve greater success in the medical device industry, and contribute to advancing healthcare.